Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create more than 2 columns in Weebly. This is a fantastic way to organize your content more dynamically and make your website layout more visually appealing and functional. Let's jump right into it. First, head over to Weebly.com and log into your Weebly account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your home page. Now, take a look at the left menu where you'll see several options available. Locate and click on Website. This will expand to show you more options related to your site management. From there, click on Edit Site to proceed. Next, you'll be presented with a list of websites you currently have. Choose the specific website you want to work on and make edits to. Once you've selected it, look over to the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This action will take you directly into the editor page of your chosen website, which is where all the magic happens. When you're on the editor page, make sure you're working in the correct section by checking the top menu. Ensure that you are on the Build tab. This is crucial because the Build section is where you'll have access to all the elements and layout tools you need to customize your site's structure. Now here's where it gets interesting. Let's say you already have a 2-column layout on your page, perhaps with title elements in each column. If you want to add an additional column, the process is beautifully simple. All you need to do is drag another element from your element panel and position it beside one of your existing elements. Weebly's drag and drop interface makes this incredibly intuitive and straightforward. The best part about this method is its flexibility. You can continue adding as many columns as you need by simply dragging more elements beside each other. Whether you need 3 columns, 4 columns, or even more, you have complete control over your layout design. Just keep dragging elements horizontally across your page, and Weebly will automatically adjust the column structure to accommodate them. And that's it. You've now learned how to create more than 2 columns in Weebly, giving you greater flexibility in designing your website's layout. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.